Welcome, today I am with REALME 8i and I will show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'm going to measure sound with this decibel meter and I'm going to set up the mode to the highest volume level. As you can see, it's turned on, and it means that these values on the screen will only change when the device registers the highest volume level than the previous one. So let's start the test. As you can see, it's set up on the maximum quality. Let's start. Okay, so as you can see, REALME 8i reached 112.3 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.